woman have her peace while reading without any background noise?
Man U, Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool.
Oh man, wait.
You even made me lose my game.
Katalo kaleese olw'eggulu kati nendwawo kaggulira ne kalwa ku gate kayombye.
So I think he likes me, and he's not bad. He has the height, he's not very light. Okay, he's not very light.
Can you imagine I've waited for 1 hour?
I'm sorry, I was caught up.
No. You've made me sit here for 1 hour.
Okay, I know, but I'm sorry.
No, wait. Have you got someone else?
Why would you say that? I'm not getting anyone.
Okay, now what are you going to explain me? What are you going to tell me?
I was caught up by certain things, and you've been calling, and I told you I can't pick up a phone when I'm on a border. Babe, I'm sorry, I'm late.
No. This is not true. I cannot stand for 1 hour.
I know, but
For 1 hour.
I'm sorry.
Lisa, I'm fed up of this. Actually, I'm out of here.
Steve.
Lisa, what are you doing? Where are you going?
I told you I need some space. I told you I need some time alone.
Okay, but it's late. It's 11. Where are you going? Lisa, it's late. You know you're a girl. You don't have to move out at this time. It's dangerous for you.
I'll be fine out there.
kijjajja mpola muganda layira niyo embeera ebatwalaganyiza ekyo anti mwana byangwatera eno mbeera eno bwenkifunamu nga nkinywamu bwekibula nga mbeerawo kati bwe bati tewetambuza embeera layira kikyogerako kama katonda nina okwebeeramu naawe tosobola gana byonna kiddeemu hawayi mazare okkiriza ddemu okkiriza nvuna naawe lwaki okirwamu tokiwamu kintu kikyangu nnyo singa wavuddewo singa nakutadde dda n'ogenda kweru sawa tesigenda akuta mwana sigenda akuta togenda sigenda akuta kitegeera okivaamu nedda oba nedda beeramu kintu kyangu nnyo togenda fa kitegeera ate nagoba amataala mwana sekozikiza enziga mwana tutakamalika okuba amataala kikyoyagala is your sister manyoko gendo jaka amatala go nawe mwana
Don't ever move this late night alone. You're just a beautiful girl to move this late night. It's okay.
That's good. Oh, I like that.
Babe, there's something I wanted to talk to you about.
What's that?
It's been long since I last went shopping, but I've been trying to call you like for a week now, and you're not picking up. You don't reply to my text. I don't know what's going on.
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. You want shopping?
Yeah, I do.
Shopping?
It's been really long.
When do you want to go for shopping?
This week.
This week?
Yeah.
Maybe you'll be going alone. Not so? Yeah, because I'm a little bit tired. So I'll get you the money.
As long as I've got it.
You go do the shopping. I love that. So, you remind me.
I will.
And about not picking, you know, sometimes I'm busy and sometimes I'm with lawyers,
Not
majors.
even during the night.
During
I
the
call
night.
you late in the evening, but then you still don't pick up.
No. You know, I want my mind to refresh in the night, so that I wake up in the morning.
Text me and tell me, babe,
Yeah.
I'm busy this one.
No problem, no
Like
problem.
it's been going on for a week.
Oh.
I really don't like.
No problem. I'll send you a text. Then you. Are we okay? I love you. Look at you. You look exactly. Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, I thank God for you. You know, I want to take you to the tour. A tour you have never seen.
I think it would be much better if you take me for a boat cruise.
Boat cruise.
Yes, at Maction Falls.
You don't fear boat cruise.
No, why would I fear a boat cruise?
So like balance the boat, balance
No,
the.
sure, it will just be between. It will just.
Okay, balance my boat here. You feeling cold?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Oh, no. Let me warm you up. Yeah. You see?
I can see.
You're getting warm, eh?
I'm going to be fine.
So, you're now home?
Yeah, now so I think it's better if you just proceed.
Yeah.
I think so.
It's okay.
Thanks for that.
Can I?
Up to the gate.
Okay. But let me stop here. Yeah. Okay. Just have a lovely night.
Thank you, likewise.
I've liked the whole day.
I love it too.
Many days are coming. Okay, good night.
Sugar. I don't know if we are going to do it this time round, but last time it was perfect. I don't know even how we got that name, but it was.
And the guy, the lady really knew the
Yeah.
Let's do
Yeah.
something that people normally have.
Brenda, maybe.
Okay, Ella. What name did you say last time?
Flora.
Yeah, let's use Flora because now most people have that kind of Flora. Florence.
Yeah. They will know. I think she will be there.
I should be serious.
Hello, how are you?
We're fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Mbakoleko?
Yeah, tugenda kukola eggere enjala.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Kale, kambakoleko.
Kale. Sebo, kola mpola.
By the way, Kathy, how far with the other boyfriend of yours?
Which boyfriend?
The black one.
You girl, I rejected him.
That's why.
He's not my type.
He used to give you money, honestly.
Yes,
Kathy.
he used to give me money, but still.
I should get back to him.
I couldn't
want
handle. Did you watch yesterday's episode of Big Brother?
Yesterday I slept early.
If you
What
saw
happened?
Bella, the drama she caused.
I think those people are beefing her because she's beautiful.
Yeah,
'Cause
and
now-
she's dating that guy called
Shakes.
Yes.
And now
Yes.
most people hate Shakes.
Yeah.
Most people hate
Yeah.
Shakes. Even outside, people hate Shakes.
Yeah. I think he will even be evicted on Sunday.
No, he's not going to be. I think he will be among the last people to leave the house.
For real. He has a lot of votes.
He has a big fan base. It's quite big, though people hate him. Because he overshares of, I come from America. Chill.
Yesterday's drama, I'm telling you, it was something else.
But I'm waiting for the reunion because I want Fina
Yeah.
and those other guys to fight and beat each
Exactly.
other.
I'm
Just
also
can't-
waiting for it. I can't miss it.
Can't wait for the reunion.
Saba oli kumpi kumaliriza, eh?
Yeah.
Tell them.
We're going to use the name Flora. Which is the name Flora. So you have to talk. You have to be down to talk. Be confident. Scared. Be scared. Don't be scared. Talk with confidence. Tell him Flora. Chill. Okay. I hope he has not heard us.
Bosi wange mbamaliriza.
Kweyanziza.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Kati tukozesa kukyaka ssente kange ako.
Flora.
Flora. Ate abadde ki?
Tomanyi Flora?
Flora simumanyi.
No, twayogedde naye. Twayogedde naye nga tetunaba kujja.
Mukulu Flora mumanyi? Sente tumumanyi wano baanaye.
Nedda twayogedde naye.
Flora.
Twamuwadde ne ssente nga tetunaba.
What? Tetumutegeera wano. Bambi sabusaye mumpe ssente zange mbaviire ngende nkola ebirala. Wakati n'abakasitoma baniizola abo n'abatudde balinze nze mbakoleko.
Sebo.
Yeah.
Tugambe ssente twaziwadde Flora.
Ekiba kiganye ninakubira poliisi babatwali. Ensonga sirina budde wamu wano mbamaze lwaki temwanga nyo nga sina bakola kati mbamaliriza njagala ssente zange.
Tetukulabikira ng'abantu.
Ankubire poliisi njagala ssente zange nze saagala muzannyo.
Hello. Yeah, this is Afande Olivia from here, Kawala Police Station. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, do you know anyone here? Yes, you girls. What are your names?
My name is Lisa.
You're Lisa. Then you? Do you know Lisa or Kathy? Yeah, they are here at the police station. They've been arrested and you're needed, sir. Yes, please, you come and listen.